A well-designed storefront framing impacts brand image for retail construction. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Today we'll explore the influence that well-designed storefront framing has on a brand's image in retail construction. Retail projects vary considerably, but regardless of all else, they have to have entrances. Everyone must go in and out through the building, so the entrances are required. And these become a focal point because everyone's entering through the entrances. So they become a focal point and really part of a brand image. So a lot of retailers take advantage of entrances and the adjacent storefront or curtain wall frames to make that part of their brand image. So whether the entry is anodized or liquid painted or powder coat finished, architects and owners take advantage of them and the adjacent fixed frames to create a brand image that's very recognizable. So there are many combinations of color, mid rails, bottom rails, push-pulls, and style width that can easily be changed to create a brand image. We went through examples of that. That was just a few examples. There's many more available. But all those make commercial swing door a key part of a successful retail strategy. To summarize, all facilities need to have entrances and sidelight frames. Proper selection of the framing system, entry, hardware impacts many aspects of a successful retail project. Critical aspects of successful projects include other considerations such as security, hardware function, customer convenience, brand awareness, natural lighting, and displays and traffic flow can all impact the type of frames that we design each specific project for. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.